Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install NetBeans in Windows 11 operating system. So for that first we need to install Java JDK in our system. So in previous video we have learned how to install Java JDK. I have given link in description. If you don't have Java JDK installed in your system, please watch that video and install Java JDK. So let's start. First, open your favorite browser and search for NetBeans download. Then the first link, netbeansapache.org, the official website for the NetBeans. Click on that link. Then here we have the download button. The latest version of NetBeans is 21, which is released on 20th Feb 2024. So click on this download button. Now these are the all installers and packages for the NetBeans. From this we are going to install it for 64-bit operating system. So this one is the for 64-bit. So click on that link. Here we have the link to download NetBeans. So click on this link. It will start downloading automatically. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install. So open it into folder to install. Then double click on this application. Now they will ask you to allow to install this application on your system. So click on S to allow. Let's close this all folders. Now it will configuring all the setup. Now these are the all packs for NetBeans. Now click on next button. Then click on I accept the terms and condition, and then again click next. So this is the path where your all NetBeans libraries will store, and this is the path of our Java JDK. So click on next again. Click on install button to install. So it will start installing your NetBeans in your system. Then click on finish after all the installation complete. Now you can see our NetBeans is installed successfully. Let's open it. So this is the NetBeans. Now let's try to create one folder. So click on files, click on create new project. Now here we are going to select Java and click on next. Now let's give project name my first Java project. Now this is the our project location. Now just click on finish. So our package is created, our class is created, and they have defined predefined main method. So let's try to print something. To print, we are using system dot out dot println. In bracket we are giving in double quote, welcome to technical tutorials. Just give semicolon and save this project. Now to run, they have given here one button. Click on that button to run this project. So it will start running your project. So we have print our message that welcome to technical tutorials. So in this way you can install the NetBeans in your Windows 11 operating system, as well as you can run the simple Java code.